Karen Lynn Dixon, Star Diamond Styles. Today I'm here in New York City in the Academy offices with celebrated 3-star Michelin, 6-star diamond chef Heinz Beck.
Buddha body, Buddha body, Buddha nature. Beneath your Gucci.
Hello, I'm so thrilled to be here in the office of 5-star Diamond Award. And my restaurant is awarded since 13 years with the 3-star Michelin and for almost 20 years with the 5-star and then 6-star Diamond Award. 35 years in hotel industry, and I'm very, very happy to be still one of Italian's best chefs. From a flower, from an artwork, from an architecture, from emotions. Cooking is my life. Cooking is my soul. At home, I like very much a little bit more simple dishes. And of course, pasta. Pasta is my favorite. No tattoo, no motorcycle, no crazy things, no alcohol, no drugs. The only what I have is my wife, Teresa. I love her and I will be always there for her. Is when you have produced very nicely and have a lot of happy guests in all the restaurants. Make your guests feel comfortable. Make them happy.